how to remove Google account from your Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your Google account from your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove your Google account from your Android phone, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and basically make sure to open up your settings application. Once you open the settings app on your Android phone, what you have to do is you just need to go and look for this option known as password and account. So in my case it is password and accounts. In your case it could be accounts and backup or manage accounts or anything as such. So just go to option that says account. Over here you'll be able to see the Google accounts that you've added. Just tap on the Gmail address, tap on remove account, tap on remove, and the Google account will be successfully removed. Keep in mind that if you completely remove all the Google account, you won't be able to use Google Play services and your Play Store or your App Store or anything that you might have. This way you can remove your Google account from your Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.